that sound? Nigga. I'm slum now. Nigga. Mercury. Here we go. Now I'm riding in a demon hop. What? Track hop? You know what I'm saying? That's that shit Juke be rolling around there, nigga. While I'm hanging out the window with the Glock. Roblox whip. Roblox whip. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, my shit's on Billboard, nigga. I'm in a track car. Yeah. I'm in a track car. Juco driving on a Roblox fucking whip. Nigga, don't cut my shit off, nigga. I was about to jump in the vocals. Roblox whip. Roblox whip. Oh, they got me with the, do the heavy praying, man. Look, I do that catch on fire, nigga. Woo. Get away from this 90210 looking motherfucker. I'm jumping on Madison tonight, man. I'm gonna wait till it get dark. I'm gonna mess with some, little bit of everything, probably. Box something. I was gonna box something first, but you know, this is always my go-to. I love my GTA, man. Rodzilla. My Lakers win. Saki, what up with it? On Slumnia. Hold on, let me see. Jickle driving on our Roblox fucking win. Yeah, whoa, I'm looking all right. I need to come up with some more fits too, man. Let me see, customization. What am I tripping? Appearance. What am I wearing today? North Face, Mary GuTTa. Put that, you know, you see the peace sign on there, man. You know what I'm saying? It's all about peace today. Guess unless I gotta clap somebody, man. Got the Mary GuTTa on today. They always got me up in the middle of nowhere, man. I think motherfuckers be knowing every time I get on to throw me off the side of the motherfucking, on the side of a mountain or some shit. I'm in a track car. Yeah. Where my track car? You come driving on a rim, fucking weird. Where am I at? I ain't going across the mountain. Miscellaneous, teleport. Shazam! And I just watched that shit too. That motherfucker wasn't bad. That Shazam. And I watched, what else I watched? I watched that 65 million years. That motherfucker wasn't bad either. I ain't even gonna lie, I can't even shit on either one of them. Got my seatbelt on. What's up with y'all, man? What up, Steel? Welcome to the chat. Brash, what up? How long you been on? You'll be on later? I'll be on for a while. I don't know how long I'll be on this GTA though. I'm gonna be on a little bit of everything, man. I'm gonna pop a little bit of everything on. You know, I had to come out here real quick, man. Come out to the water. I don't really come out to the water like that like I used to, man. You know. You feel me? Let me slide across the hood. Just look at it, man, you know. Look at the stars and shit, y'all. You know, chill my chat for a minute. Look, y'all. Look out there. It look pretty out there. You know, I got the peace sign out. The peace. You know how much this shirt costs, nigga? The motherfucking shirt alone, boy, that bitch $250. You know what I'm saying? Showing peace today, man. I don't plan on clapping nobody, but I know damn well something's gonna happen to them motherfuckers. As long as I'm by myself, I usually don't clap motherfuckers, man, unless I get mad. What is that right there? What the fuck is that? And it's not raining. Yeah, it's about time. What up, Andre? I'm about to see what this motherfucking tunnel look like. I was about to come out here and just sit in the sand for a minute, but I'm intrigued, nigga. Ooh, y'all hear that motherfucker? Wow, wow, wow. You see that bitch? This is my favorite motherfucker on this game. You come driving on them front lines, fucking win. Oh, this is send off. Oh, I'm thinking this is, hey, this is a nice little spot, man. Bring your chick or something, man. You know, boys come out here and smoke or something. What is this? Look like some homeless motherfuckers. They're knocking bricks out this bitch or something. Yeah, but anyway, man. That motherfucking, that Shazam was alright, man. I thought it was gonna be fucking stupid. But, it wasn't. That motherfucker wasn't bad. Only I can do this. I wish one of y'all motherfuckers would get on my whip, man. Doing this crazy shit, man. I'll just do this because I got money out here. Oh, no, I got Roblox fucking win. Alright, what I got? Cat lock. E. You feel me? Woo! Out here, man. Look at the waves, y'all. Rick James, your car like Charlie Murphy. Hey, man, I do this. You know what I mean? Gotta relax, man. Hit the scenery before I get shot in the face or something, man. Oh, yeah. Just in case, let me get my weapons together. Player. Weapons. No. Loadout. Manage. I'm getting faster with all this shit. I'm just a semi-rookie now. You feel me? Oh no. Get my vector out. Pull out that one shots to the face that. Let me see. Where's the okay, player options, armor, heavy. You feel me? Own it. Yeah, I just did it, Rod. I'm on it now. I'm tired of that shit. Motherfuckers be taking 1,000,000 bullets to the face and shit. Yeah. I just wanted to come out here, man. Just look at the waves for a minute, man. Clear my mind. This is like, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing like it, man. Going out to the beach. Get off the bullshit. Now it's time for bullshit. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. I'm not even front alignment. Why am I so? That wasn't me, y'all. I don't know what's going on. This fucking track got his mind of his own sometime. If ain't nobody at the, oh, shit. Damn, it look like Nate shit. You got that. Fucking precinct. Y'all see how I did the cops last time I was on? That motherfucker got out like he's about to walk up. Well, holla. I should have pulled my 300 out. Just in case, but I won't get caught in that motherfucker for some reason. Ain't nobody here. I'm gonna pull out one of my old schools and roll around the block. Nobody. see. Matter of fact, pull out that Laker GuTTa. Just talking about you, broski. That's the, I think this one's slower than my Laker one. Oh no, that's my Charger. There you go. Mm-hmm. That bitch was ready, wasn't she? She's like, I got you, GuTTa. Shout out on that motherfucker. You didn't even know where I went either, man. Let me see, vehicle options. Watch this bad bitch. You know what I'm saying? Like a GuTTa. You know what I mean? It's not showing on. Got my seatbelt on. Oh shit. Oh shit. Should be in muscle. Oh, look. Didn't turn on the block. Damn! Oh shit! Don't drive your ass on by, motherfucker. Oh, nah, he following their motorcycle. What was that? Beamer truck? Track hop? I need that Beamer truck, bro. This motherfucker sound mean, too. What is this? What does that say? Oh, it's an X5. Hell no. Motherfucker, I was seeing what you wanted. Man, what's up with the tear gas, man? That shit stink, man. Man. Damn, man. Shoot at my motherfucker. Oh, he did shoot at my whip. Alright, bitch. Is that what we on? Alright, bet. Watch this shit. Where'd he go? Lights off. As long as I ain't the police behind me. I'm gonna DC snipe these motherfuckers. I wish I had one of my shooters with me. Oh, son of a bitch! Damn it! Man, get the fuck up. My damn Air Force One's cleaned up.